Hi everyone, I am Mahalakshmi, currently pursuing a BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with a specialization in Data Science from KL University. In this video, I am going to show you how I built an automated system to monitor the health of EC2 instances in AWS and log the results into an S3 bucket. Firstly, I am going to tell about the problem statement. As part of managing EC2 instances, it's crucial to monitor their health continuously. Instead of checking them manually, we can automate the process. Further, you need to know about the difference between manual health checks and automated health checks. In manual approach, we log into an AWS console, go to EC2 dashboard, and check each instance status by hand. This works if you have one or two instances, okay fine. But the number grows, it becomes insufficient, time consuming, and error prone. But in automated health checks, automation solves all of that. We create a Lambda function that regularly checks EC2 health using AWS APIs. The health data is saved S3 bucket automatically, and the function runs on a schedule using CloudWatch events. This is our project overview. For this project, we need to follow this process. Firstly, we can set up the EC2 instance and can create an S3 bucket. Then we can create an IAM role for giving the permissions of EC2 and S3 bucket. And we can develop AWS Lambda function. Then we can test it that function. And we can create a CloudWatch or even bridge for automated health checks. And we can log health data in S3. Going to that project, firstly we can create an EC2 instance. Click on EC2. Why we can create this EC2? EC2 monitor for health checks. It could represent any server you can track in terms of status. Click on EC2 instance. Click on launch instance. Create EC2 health check. Can give any name. Choose Amazon Linux and then choose instance type as T2 micro. Then we can create a new key pair. EC2 key pair. Or we can choose existing key pair. Then edit network settings. Configure the security group SSH, but it is already there in default. Don't do anything. Everything's put as default. Click on launch instance. Yeah, successfully created the instance. Then we can create an S3 bucket. Click on S3. Click on create bucket. This S3 bucket store logs of health status of your EC2 instance. This ensures that you have centralized location of your logging and storing a health check data over time. Choose bucket type as general purpose and give the bucket name as unique name as S3 health check, and then don't deselect this public access and enable the bucket versioning. Click on create bucket. Yeah, we have successfully created the S3 bucket. Then we can create an IAM role for giving the permissions of EC2 and S3 bucket. Click on role on left side navigation pane. Create role. Yeah, trusted entity type as AWS service put as. Then you can give the use case as Lambda. Select in that list. Click on next. Give the permissions of EC2 and S3. Amazon EC2 read only access. And next one is Amazon S3 full access. Give these two policies and click on next. Give the name Lambda EC2 health role. and don't do anything. Click on create role. Yeah, successfully created lambda EC2 health role. Then create a lambda function. Why we can create this lambda function? We can write the code in Python that automatically checks the health status of EC2 instance in your account using the describe instance status API. This function then format the status into a log format and upload the log file in your S3 bucket with a timestamped name. Firstly, we can create function as author from scratch. Give the function name. Check EC2 health status. Select runtime as Python 3.12 because I'm writing the code in Python. And change default execution role. Use an existing role. What is that? Amazon EC2 health role. You can create it in recently is IAM role. And don't give any additional configuration. Click on create function. Then put the code. Already done with that code. I will give in description for this code. Paste it. Give the bucket name what you created recently is S3 bucket. Check for that. Create duplicate tab. Go to S3. Wait. Yeah. What is that bucket name? Oh, S3 health check. Yeah. Okay, fine. Save and deploy it. Deploying code done. Yeah, successfully updated the function. Then we can test that lambda function. So go to lambda. Go to lambda. Click on check status. Click on text. Create new event. Test lambda function. Yeah, don't give anything. Create, save it, test it. Yeah, execution function succeeded. Yeah, finally we can got. See, in that we have status code, body, health check logged in EC2. So this timestamp we can got. Now we can give the timestamp by using Event Bridge or CloudWatch. Go to Event Bridge. Yeah, Amazon Event Bridge. Create a rule. Yeah, create rule. Give the rule name as timestamp. Don't give any description. Put as default. Schedule the time. Continue to create rule. Yeah, schedule time. I will give the time as 1 hour. For every 1 hour, it can be triggered. Click on next. Amazon service. Selected target. What is that lambda function? And select function. What I created lambda function name. Check EC2 health status. And then execution role as create a new role for specific resource. It give default name. Put it as same as you can change or you can change. Click on next. Add new tag. Don't give anything. Yeah, I can give fellow as new tag. Click on next. Yeah, give the details as successfully. Create rule. Create a timestamp as rule. Click on that. See. Even schedule for every 1 hour. I can schedule for every 1 hour. So go to lambda function. No. Go to S3 bucket. Click on bucket what you created. S3 health check. In that bucket, we don't put any files. but it is created. This is a log file. Click that. See log files. Click on that. We can download that. Can see what is inside in that log file. Yeah, this is previous log files. Now it is there. What is there? It is an instance ID and instance state running or stopped. It is running. And then instance health. It is okay or not. Timestamp. See previous instant IDs and their status and their health and their timestamp. This is for now. And then okay, we can got the output. Thank you for this video. I hope you found this automation tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.